Project NicaStove has been organized as an effort to solve problems that do not necessarily need to exist. Globally, nearly 3 billion people utilize inefficient cook stoves and open flames in their homes to cook their meals. And each year, over 2 million people die from problems relating to open flames and inefficient cook stoves in their home. Additionally, since 1983, Nicaragua has lost 23% of its forest cover, and by the year 2030, it'll lose another 25%. And although deforestation is a larger scale problem, domestic wood production is a significant contributor. The need to collect firewood daily is an arduous and time-consuming task that typically falls on women. Otherwise, purchasing firewood can be a significant expense for an already meager household budget. The burning of wood to prepare daily meals creates very harsh conditions in the kitchens where many women and children spend their time. An exposure to excessive smoky kitchens from open fires and the potential for injury from burns pose a huge health risk for women and children. Additionally, inefficient cook stoves and open fires use an excessive amount of wood fuel. A rocket stove, such as the NicaStove, is designed to operate on smaller pieces of wood and paper waste, as well as agricultural waste, such as corn husks. And charcoal produced locally from agricultural and paper waste can make these stoves even more effective and efficient. The concept of the NicaStove has been designed to be able to be constructed even in rural settings where electricity is not very available. There's various components in the NicaStove that utilizes one 55-gallon recycled steel drum, sand, and mortar. The whole stove has been designed to be able to be built with mere simple hand tools, such as a pair of metal shears, a sledgehammer, and a pair of pliers. The benefits of using a rocket stove create a cascading effect that produce simple solutions for serious problems. Improving the health and livelihoods of communities in Nicaragua and elsewhere in the world, as well as decreased fuel consumption, can create a positive impact on societies and on the environment. The mission of Project NicaStove is to create an exchange of information and appropriate technology for communities in Nicaragua, in hopes to make a positive impact in the lives of those who receive this education and to empower communities in the construction and use of efficient cook stoves that burn more efficiently in return, using less wood and creating less air pollution than open fires. This January, we will be going to Nicaragua to pilot the program by producing 20 stoves for families in the town of Huigalpa, the center of Chontales in Nicaragua's cattle country. And during this service trip, we will provide stoves and teach community members how to construct these stoves and share their education with their fellow community members. Through this process, we will be able to determine the effectiveness of our program and our design to be able to make adjustments in future service trips. And hopefully, with increased support, we would be able to establish stove production and fuel production workshops throughout Nicaragua. Project NicaStove appreciates any support that we can receive. Please tell your friends and family about the project and go to www.projectnicastove.org to get more details on how to donate and support the project.